Alright, one final reaction that we gotta do is another UMB4 video, SMG4 fan video, rebuilding the Showgrounds. So last time we checked, literally, they managed to get Peach out of the SMG4's castle, the Showgrounds, by ending up properly fixing the situation that was with Peach's castle. So, yeah. So, how about let's just see how it happens now, because what ended up happening, the Showgrounds ended up getting destroyed. Kind of, sort of. Literally, the Showgrounds castle literally just flew up in the air. That's what happened. So, maybe, I don't know. I want to take the shot right now. That original castle ends up coming back. I want to take that call right now. If that ends up happening, I will lose my shit. So let's put back the SMG4 hat and let's just see how that. Let's just see. That's just so nice. Oh, so they're just chilling in threes place. Oh, okay, so they're rebuilding it right now. Oh, but see, they're working day and night, so they can't. Oh, okay. Guys, I think I get the point. You guys are aggravated.
I can't take it anymore. Peach, it's loud.
Yes.
My ears burn.
I don't know why you're keeping us up here. Can I please just go sleep at my house?
Okay, yeah.
Why won't you let me sleep at my house?
She has her own place, bro. Just let her chill there.
Your business. How nice! Lucky me.
It's not like they had a choice. Was that Mario? That was
Thanks,
Mario.
Let's sleep now.
Good night, guys.
You guys ready to go do something fun?
Yeah. Sure. Except y'all won't be able to. Alright.
Still being rebuilt. That won't stop us from having fun.
But it's a new place, though. I doubt. It's a new point building, though. They're gonna. Okay. Good. Psycho. Okay.
Hey, does anybody want coffee? Who wants coffee?
Cannot crawl. Okay.
Wow, that's really interesting.
Wallet inspector. What?
Need to check your wallets, please.
Oh, hell no, I'm out of here.
Next. Of course.
Yeah.
That's gonna be $7. I wouldn't
want that.
Okay. Next. No.
I'm proud of you.
That's sweet. That's sweet.
Since my friends are currently in a crisis, I'm gonna be lowering the price of my training by half. Now who wants to join?
Yeah. I don't know if you'll benefit from that, but alright. Tari, please do good.
This is gonna be
Please.
There we go. Watch out!
Thank you.
Woohoo! Yippee! Aha!
Thank you. Okay, they're just gonna go through games. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Yes, go through games. Kills.
Come get your anime. Friend
Nobody
anime.
is getting that.
We got Naruto.
Thank you. No one's getting that. Thank you.
Welcome, everyone. I have important news to tell you. I'm making a second season with your support.
And just like that, they rebuilt the cast.
Finally, my castle's fully rebuilt.
But the electric bills, gotta pay them off.
But it's a new building.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
About that.
I got. Okay,
Hey,
whatever.
Peach, you able to help us?
Whoa! Ha-ha! Woohoo! La 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 la. Oh.
Mario. All right, problem solved. And then stocks go down. Yeah.
Mario, did you just spend the entire economy's money to pay off the bills?
Bro,
Oh no, we're in deep.
dude, you guys now have an economic crisis. I guarantee you that'll be the next UM4 plot. I guarantee you. I can guarantee that. Okay. All right. So my call of the castle just going, just the old castle showing up again didn't happen. Okay. One. Second of all, I guess overall this plot was just all right. I guess I kind of seeing a bit of a, like, okay, maybe it was just because we just reacted to back going through stuff, so going through random things. So yeah. So. Excuse me, damn. So my overall notes: the episode was pretty alright. Plot was pretty alright. Saw a continuation from the previous episode, and because of that, I already know we're getting into something tomorrow. I mean, in the next episode from UM4. So we'll end up seeing how that one ends up going. So yeah.